Hello everyone, Terry here from my North Texas garden. I just wanted to show you these beautiful zinnias. I started from seeds, I think it was maybe a couple months back. Anyway, look how gorgeous and tall they are. Such pretty colors. Look at that. I really like this kind of salmony pink one. Isn't that pretty? Ooh, look at that. Just gorgeous. And then there's kind of this big bright orange red. So pretty. And then of course, one of my very favorites are these like purpley pink ones. I would call that fuchsia. So pretty. Okay, everybody, I hope you have a beautiful, blessed day. God bless. Please subscribe, take care, and thank you so much for watching. Have a beautiful, blessed day.